Hello, what's up guys? Today this is the part 2 of learning Python from scratch. So in this video we are learning variables. So variables and constants. I think you learned in maths about variable and constants. But if you don't learn, so don't watch this video. Or just start again from class 1. I have 2 overtake, bro. So just we need is nothing. Okay. So it is like this. It is returning the value of a in the print if, because a values is 10. So but in JavaScript or other languages you use let const for constants and anything else like float, like this one. So that is called there is. So this is, but it has many types, like we can type a string here. Okay, you can type a decimal number here, 0.410930. Okay. So these are variables. Or you can just not type these. You can type arrays. You have known about sets, or you can call it a list. So list, we can call it array, or we can call it set. Okay, so these are array. So array is like this, but you can do something great like you can enter the range of the value. But we will not learn too much in this part about arrays, set, tuples, or anything else. There are also dictionaries like this. Okay, so this is a dictionary. Okay, so that is called dictionary. But I'm already telling we will not learn more things about tuples, dictionary. We are just learning variables. But if you do something like assess like this, like you type here -10. Okay. Or if you type here 7.86543333 anything float number, and if you type here an integer to store the variable as an integer, then it will be 7, because this 8654 everything is converted into just a decimal number. Just a, what's that called, bro, integer. But if you type something like hello world and convert it to an integer, bro, bugs. because this is not acceptable, because integer is a number from 1 to and even more. So what if we type here hello world? Bro, what's that? This reason, but so that's it. But if we are not learning more things about what we say, bro, we are not learning more about types and anything else. We are just learning about variables. So in part 3 we learn about types of, in part 5, 6, 7, 8 we learn about dictionary, objects, arrays, sets, list, list, tuples, and many things, bro. But we are not focusing much on these things. So that's it. So